What is the best way to get traffic for your affiliate product? This is the thing that a lot of new aspiring affiliates tend to struggle with the most is getting targeted, consistent, high quality traffic. In this video, I want to go over the best way, I believe the number one way and how you can get high quality traffic for your affiliate marketing business. So this goes for pretty much anything that you are looking to promote, whether it is, products in the make money online niche, whether it's in the health and wellness niche, whether it's about, dating slash relationships or whatever niche that you're going into. This video is going to be all about how you can get high quality traffic to pretty much anything that you're promoting and actually get long-term results. So in this video, I want to talk about also what not to do, and then what I believe is the best way to really get started. The best thing to really focus on if you are just getting started, and if you have, very little to invest, if you don't have much money to invest in your business, in traffic. I'm also going to be talking about, how you could get lots of traffic without having to spend lots of money on advertising. So I'm very excited to share this information with you. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new content every single day that will show you how you can grow a business online, how you can do affiliate marketing, and also different ways in how you can, of course, make money online. So if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel down below, so that this way you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. So I want to start this video off by going over exactly what most people are doing and why most people are failing when it comes to getting high quality traffic to their affiliate offer. So this is what most people do when they are first getting started with affiliate marketing. They go on affiliate programs like ClickBank. There's also JVZoo. There's Warrior Plus. There's plenty of other affiliate programs out there that you could, of course, join. ClickBank is, of course, one of the more well-known affiliate marketplaces out there, and they've got a ton of products in many different niches. A lot of people choose to go with the make money online niche, for example, because there's a pretty high earning potential, and there's a lot of products in here that pay out pretty big commissions for one sale. Like take this product right here, ClickBank University, 70K students, recurring for life. You can get a sale of $302 just for bringing one person in. So that's pretty good, right? So a lot of people, when they first, get into this, they choose a product like ClickBank University, or there's even this new one, 1K a day fast track, top converting high ticket. There's Super Affiliate System by John Crestani, which I've mentioned, before on this channel. So what a lot of people do is they will pick an offer, on this platform or any other platform similar to this, and then they will decide to just start sending a bunch of random visitors to their offers. So what they do is they get their affiliate link, they click on the promote button, they get their affiliate link right here, they generate that right there, and then what they do is I typed the wrong account name. I think it's just Arie Ortiz, but anyways, yeah, they get their affiliate link, and then they decide, okay, I'm going to post this link all over the place. So let's say that this link right here that I have is my affiliate link for the product. It isn't actually the affiliate link, but let's say that, for most people, what they do is they grab their affiliate link and then they decide, okay, I'm just going to start sending a bunch of traffic. Now, one of the most common ways of getting traffic to an affiliate offer is actually solo ads. Now, solo ads are very popular because, well, for one, it's very easy, doesn't really take much work at all, and pretty much anyone can do a solo ad. If you have zero marketing experience, you could pretty much do a solo ad. You could just, buy some clicks from one of these vendors on here. Like I could buy clicks from, like this guy, and I could say, okay, I want, let's say like 50 clicks or something like that. 200 visitors, I could buy as little as, 100 clicks, right? And this will only cost me, $62 right there. So all I would do is I would just, paste in my affiliate link right there, copy that, and then paste it right in there. And then I would just buy the clicks and then have the traffic go straight to the affiliate offer. Now, the problem with that is that, for one, a lot of people who, of course, get onto that offer, they don't exactly know who you are. They don't know if you are there to provide them with, value, or if you're there to just try and make a quick buck. And a lot of people who do solo ads, they have this get rich quick type of mentality where they want to put money in one direction and hope that they get money back. So this is kind of like a lottery ticket in a way, where solo ads, they don't really take much effort at all. It's very easy to do. It's very cheap up front, but in the long term, if you're doing this, rather consistently, it can add up over time, and you could end up losing lots of money on solo ads. And a lot of the traffic that you'll get from solo ads is kind of low quality because it's people that, they typically have a very get rich quick mindset. They don't really know exactly who you are. So these people are generally going to be very hard to convert into actual sales. And even those that do end up buying your product, you may get like a $20 commission here and there with solo ads. But long term, I just don't believe this is really the way that you want to really go about it. So solo ads is one thing that a lot of people do. And it's just not something that I feel is really, worth doing in the long term. Another thing that people do is they go on different make money online forums. So this, I'd say, is very common on Facebook that you'll see. There's a lot of groups about making money online, about working from home. One's about, like affiliate marketing is another one. And these groups are pretty much filled with spammers. So if I look through here, let's see what we've got here. Let's see. So Siri, send me 50 people who need credit repair and 20 people who want to start a new career in credit industry. So this person's just putting up a post, hoping that he's going to get someone to say yes to his business opportunity. And as you can see here, it's usually these kinds of posts, they have very little to no engagement, and that's because Facebook, for one, just does not like spammers, and then also, people who see, posts like these, they don't really know exactly who they are. So this is what a lot of average people are doing, and this is a failing traffic model. This is what you don't want to do in the long term, because ultimately, like here's another one here, like, this video could be from anyone, right? It could just be any video downloaded from the internet. And this guy could just be, like pretending to be rich, hoping that he'll get a bunch of people to say yes to his opportunity. So I invested $0 and made $500 already, which I highly doubt. Like and comment info below, and only one person here just commented info. So even then, even people who do comment info on a post like this, generally they're going to have a very get rich quick lottery mentality. And these are people that you do not want to deal with, because regardless of how good your product is, regardless of how desperate you think that you need the sale, these people you don't want to deal with, because they're going to end up refunding. A lot of them are going to call you a scammer if they don't make money within their first week. So for this reason, you want to avoid traffic sources like this, where you're just putting up these posts and hoping that people decide to buy into your product right away. So like if I go scroll down a bit more, again, there's a ton of other posts very similar to this. I mean, work from home in the CBD oil industry, paid direct deposit weekly, who wants more info? I guess this one has got a bit more engagement, but again, the problem is that people don't know who this Emily Sparks person is. They probably have not seen her before, and when you see someone like pitching their opportunity right then and there, it's very hard to actually trust them. So this is why you don't want to go with this exact strategy here, because it's just not a great working strategy in the long term. Again, there's this other group that is very similar. A lot of it is just the same stuff, but I want to answer the question, okay, so how do you get consistent high quality traffic in the long term to whatever product it is that you're looking to promote, whether it's products on ClickBank, whether it's products on JVZoo, maybe you've got a network marketing opportunity that you want to promote. The best way to get lots of high quality traffic in the long term is by doing things that most people are not willing to do. By learning different traffic strategies that actually require you to actually put in work, learn an actual skill set, and actually learn how to be unique. This is how you get lots of high quality traffic. So a good example of this is actually doing SEO. This is where you are creating content on a consistent basis, and there's really two ways you can go about this. You could either set up a website. I know Bluehost is a great hosting platform where you could actually set up an entire website. Costs about $3.95 a month, and this isn't going to get you lots of high quality traffic coming in right then and there. I mean, it is going to take up some time to, of course, build up an audience. You want to be creating content on a consistent basis, whether this is through written content, or you can decide to go the route that I'm going, which is actually creating content on YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms to use when it comes to building up a brand online, because you could actually, for one, YouTube does not cost anything to start. It's completely free to start a YouTube channel. You don't have to pay anything. And videos are the best way to really build trust with your audience. So people see an actual person on camera sharing valuable information that people are, of course, looking for. This is how you gain trust with your audience, your target market that you are trying to promote whatever products to. So this is definitely the way that you want to go in the long term, is by creating content on a consistent basis. And I really cannot stress this enough, especially if you don't have like a massive advertising budget. This is really the way that I believe is the best way to go, because you don't have to pay anything to get started, completely free to start. Of course, you can invest in things later down the road, like I paid for this screen recorder that I'm using. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, and I also have this Blue Yeti mic that I use to of course improve the audio. But having a YouTube channel, any video that pretty much all the videos that you put out there, every single piece of content that you put out there, whether it's on YouTube or whether if it's on like a website that you decide to start, like every blog post, every video is pretty much like a salesperson working for you pretty much 24/7. As long as it's on there on the internet, and as long as people are actually finding the content that you're putting out there, then these videos can pretty much do all the selling and telling for you. So ideally, what you want to do is you want to pick one niche that you want to go into, whether it's the make money online niche, whether it's about starting an online business, what maybe it's about crypto, health and wellness, travel is another big niche. You want to pick a niche that is in a booming industry, and then you want to start creating content on a consistent basis. This is really the best way to go. And also think of it like this: when someone searches up something in particular in either YouTube or maybe Google or Yahoo, and they find a valuable piece of content that you of course put out there, this is some of the highest quality traffic that you could really get in the long term, because people are getting to know you before they see whatever offer it is that you are looking to recommend to them. So by the time that they finish watching a video of yours or reading a blog article, once they see the offer that you're recommending, once they get to your landing page, they see the sales video, they already know exactly who you are, and they're going to be much more qualified to be interested in whatever offer it is that you have to promote. So that's really the entire message that I wanted to share in this video. The number one thing that I want you to take away from this video is you need to be willing to stand out from everyone else. You cannot be, okay, I'm just going to buy a bunch of clicks off of Udemy and hope that I get lots of sales coming in right then and there. This is not the way that you want to go, because if you go for the easy route, then you're going to get the exact same results that other people taking this route are going to get. You're going to get maybe like one sale here and there. Again, it's like a lottery ticket, is what I kind of mentioned earlier. You don't want to be spamming your links all over the place on social media, because for one, Facebook does not like that. They will penalize you for that. And also, people don't want to deal with others that are just hiding behind their computer screen. So the best way to really build up legitimacy is by actually putting yourself out there, creating helpful content that, of course, solves a big need. You want to answer questions that people are, of course, asking. And this is the best way on how you really build trust with your audience. This is how you get long-term quality traffic to whatever offer it is that you're doing. So this is something that I just cannot stress enough. And you could also go the paid traffic route. There's also lots of great paid traffic sources that I could have gone over, but I believe YouTube or starting up a website is really the best way to go. You want to be creating some form of content on a consistent basis. And even if you aren't getting sales right away, remember, it's something that you just have to build up over time. So again, that's pretty much the entire strategy that I wanted to share in this video. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you plan on starting a YouTube channel or a website, or if you're already doing something like that. I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts down below. But also give this a video a like, because it really does help the channel. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, if you want to truly succeed with affiliate marketing, you want something that can truly support you long term, then my #1 link down below this video will give you access to my free training I put together, and that goes more into depth about how to build an online business through the concept of affiliate marketing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.